Using the diagram below, write 13/5 as a mixed number. So we can see that each of these rectangles is a whole. It's been split into 5 parts, and that's because the denominator here is 5. And I need to shade 13 of those parts. So I'm just going to do that very quickly. And so I'm going to shade the first 10 and then 3 over here. And that means that it is 2 wholes and then 3/5. Using the diagram below, write 2 2/3 as an improper fraction. So what I need to do with each of these wholes is split them into 3 equal parts. I'm not going to spend too much time worrying about whether they're equal. So I need to shade 2 of those, 2 wholes. And then with this being 2/3, I need to shade 2 parts of this one. So as an improper fraction, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thirds. And so it's 8/3. Now, we could draw a diagram every time that we need to do this, but this could be tedious and time-consuming. So is there a way of changing them without drawing the diagram? So we want to convert 24/7 to a mixed number. The first thing to think is, how many times does 7 go into 24? It goes in 3 whole times, and 7 times 3 is 21, which gives me, if the top is 24, a remainder of 3, because 24 take away 21 is 3. So the 7 goes in 3 whole times. And then we've got a remainder of 3, which we put over 7, which is the same denominator. So it's 3 3/7. Converting the other way, so going from 9 1/3 to an improper fraction, the way to do this is take the denominator and multiply it by the whole number part. 3 times 9. That's like when we shade all of these, we can see that we get 6/3 there. 6/3 is the same as 2. Then we add the numerator, and that's like when we move on to the next part of the diagram. And so that gives me 28. And so if we were counting it up on a diagram like this, that would mean we'll have shaded 28/3.